Now this is a true woman. Not only does she cut firewood, but she'll go in there and cut my carrots for my dinner too, huh, baby?
Yeah, I will. If I can get it to stand up.
Yeah, we've had a little problem with balancing.
Dang.
We need to go get a flat log. We just started doing this because Michelle loves to have a fire. So somebody gave us a bunch of wood that we went and loaded up on. Look at that, those are huge logs. And we are cutting them for our fire. Good job, baby. You're so fast that the camera can't keep up with it. It's a swing and then the log splits. You barely see the full swing.
Wow.
Kill it, baby.
Ready?
Look at that. Tear that wood apart, baby.
That's what I'm talking about. I wish I could get this one. It just won't stand up on its own.
Here, let me show you a trick. Watch this.
Yeah. Show me a trick.
There, this way. This way. There you go.
Yeah, that's a good trick.
There you
I
go.
like that trick.
There you go.
I do that more often.
Ooh, right in two, baby.
I like that trick. That's a good trick.
One hell of a feminist.
Arr.
Arr. So you like that, huh? That helped balance it.
Yeah. That's good. Let's scoot you back a little bit. Come off the log.
There you go. Hold on.